Is your crypto exchange secretly eating away at your profits? You see a price, you hit buy, and then you get charged fees you didn't even know were there. Today, we're diving deep into Kraken to uncover its fee structure and expose any hidden costs that could be impacting your bottom line. Kraken is known for being a powerful, secure exchange, but how does its fee system actually work? It's more complex than a simple percentage. For a start, you have two different platforms, the standard Kraken app and Kraken Pro. If you're a beginner just getting started, you're likely using the standard app. It's simple, but it comes with a built-in spread and a processing fee that can be a bit opaque. The price you see isn't always the price you get, because a small percentage, or spread, is included. This can be more expensive than you might realize, especially on smaller, frequent trades. Now, if you're serious about trading, you'll want to use Kraken Pro. This is where the real fee transparency comes in, with the classic maker-taker model. A maker fee is for adding liquidity to the order book by placing a limit order, while a taker fee is for taking liquidity away by executing a market order. These fees are tiered, meaning the more you trade over a 30-day period, the lower your fees become. For new traders with a volume under $10,000, you'll be looking at a 0.25% maker fee and a 0.4% taker fee. While those fees are competitive, they can be a shock if you're used to the simple percentages of other platforms. Beyond trading fees, there are other costs to consider. Funding your account can come with its own set of charges. While ACH transfers are often free in the US, wire transfers or other methods can incur fees. And don't forget about withdrawals. While some crypto withdrawals might be free, many have a small, fixed fee to cover the network's transaction costs. And for fiat withdrawals, fees can vary greatly depending on your location and the method you choose. So, are there hidden costs on Kraken? The short answer is yes and no. The main platform spread and processing fees might not be explicitly broken down, but they are a cost of convenience. On the other hand, Kraken Pro is highly transparent, but its complexity means you have to do your homework to understand the maker-taker model and volume tiers. For serious traders, Kraken's fees are incredibly competitive, especially as your volume increases. For beginners, it's a trade-off between simplicity and cost. Understanding these distinctions is key to maximizing your crypto journey. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.